Welcome to Basic Scale G. We have just completed the C scale and now we're moving on to the next scale, which is going to be G. This is the second exercise of the second half of my course. This is the second exercise of the basic section, and this is the second exercise of just the scales. Now, we completed C, we know how it works, we played it up and down on the piano, and we're pretty comfortable and pretty familiar with the notes. Now we're going to move on to G. But why should we choose G? Why not like the next note, like D? We played C, and why not move to D? Well, the reason to that is because there's such thing called as the circle of fifths, or the circle of fourths, I like to call it. Each key signature has different amount of sharps and different amount of flats. C has none. It's all white keys. No black keys. G, however, has one black key. D has two. A has three. E has four, and so on. And there's a pattern when you look on the keyboard. You go C, you go down to G, and then you go down to D, and then you go down to A, and then you go down to E. You see, it's a perfect fourth down, perfect fourth down, perfect fourth down, and a perfect fourth down. C has 0 sharps, G has 1 sharp, D has 2 sharps, A has 3 sharps, E has 4 sharps, B has 5 sharps, and so on. This is known as the circle of fifths. You play all the 12 tonics, and then you get back to C, which has 0 sharps. Now, G is very similar to C as a scale, except we add 1 sharp. Now, we know how a scale is built. It's a whole tone, half tone, whole tone, whole tone, whole tone, and another half tone. So 2 whole tones, 1 half tone, 3 whole tones, and another half tone. It works for C because it has no black keys. Now if you go to G and we use the same formula, we go whole tone, half tone, now 3 whole tones, whole tone, whole tone, whole tone, half tone. Because this is 2 half tones, it's a whole tone, and this is a half tone. So the black key in this scale is going to be F sharp. Another way how to determine which black keys go where, G, and you go half a step down, that's the half tone, that's the black key. You go half a step down, and that's the black key. You go to D, half a step down, and that's going to be the black key for D. You keep G, F sharp, and then you have C sharp. So C has 0 sharps. G has 1 sharp, which is F sharp. We keep F sharp, and when we move to D, we add a C sharp because it's a half tone down. And then we keep F sharp, and we add the C sharp. This might be a little confusing now, but throughout the scales and throughout the videos and courses, we're gonna dive more into how music theory works, how scales and chords and arpeggios are built, and how we use them for everyday use on playing the piano. So let's begin with the G scale.